A week later?
For that rat.
It's not even a week, it's like 4 days.
Yeah, that's true. Whoa.
I've seen this in like engines. That's how I know it'll do it. No. Don't ruin it.
What's like?
You're invalidating the results of the test.
What the fuck? I don't want to like mix it too much, but it's like this whole layer is solidified.
Yeah,
So maybe it matters as to what kind of coolants you use, because that was a different brand of coolant.
Straight
than that.
concentrate.
Yeah.
There's no water in there.
See, and I added water, so that might be the. Because I know in an engine, like you've had it where like water gets in your oil and it just turns milky white.
Yeah.
And it doesn't matter how long you leave it, it will not separate. Like,
So we're doing a CVIP on this truck. Basically, go through. It's a commercial vehicle, so it needs an inspection every year. Basically, go through. We'll pull off the tires, check all the brakes, check all the drive lines. Did go through it himself. It is obviously a fellow mechanic, so he's done a fair amount of work, but we'll still go over, check everything as per law. Yeah. So we'll get started on that. Pull some tires and go from there.
So what does the CVIP consist of, though? That's what people want to know.
So, I mean, the basis of it is all the safety systems on a vehicle. Right, brakes, being able to stop is a major one, especially when we get to big tractors. Right, there's obviously been lots of instances and examples why we need these. And yeah, basically just going over and checking all the safety features, making sure that even down to simple things like, do the wipers work? You know, if it rains, are you going to be able to still see? Is the windshield in good condition? Mirrors, lights, brakes, tires, big ones. Yeah, I mean, smaller trucks or commercial trucks like this are obviously a little easier, quicker than, you know, a giant tractor. But yeah, CVIP is essentially that.
So as you guys can see beside this half-eaten donut, CVIP, step 1, steady bearing.
Donut,
Yeah.
step 1.
Front left-hand side hub U-joint tires swapped out. We're gonna follow along Aaron today and show you guys what goes on. Step 2, he's taking off the hub cap, hub cover I guess you could call it.
Service truck, bro, where it's gonna go?
Yeah.
What's happening?
Find anything wrong with it, man?
Just reflective tape. Nothing major. She's actually in really good shape.
Oh yeah, buddy, you're good. You're good to rock and roll, man. Okay, so an update. Part source. Shout out part source. Sent Aaron the wrong U-joint. As you can see, it's too small.
Okay, it's tight. Make sure it lines up with the holes underneath the truck.
Drive shaft is back in. As you guys can see, boom. So that just leaves the tires, waiting on those, and then a new U-joint. Cool. Oh yeah, look at that. Brand new. Alright, tires are back. You can hear me. Aaron's getting them on, so looks like this thing's pretty much good to go. Got the reflectors on. So yeah, she is road legal. Good to go.